A sharp knife is the best companion of a chef in the kitchen. It doesn't matter which knife you buy, they all need to be sharpened eventually. And it's a good idea to keep your blade sharp because a sharp knife is safer to cut with than a dull one. Which sharpener is best for you depends not only on your skill, but also on the types of knives you use. So if you are interested, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Let's begin our list with the WorkSharp E2 Kitchen Sharpener. With the push of a button, this fully guided sharpener automates your knives sharpening for an even angle and perfectly sharpened blade every time. It offers professional level sharpness and is designed to sharpen the highest quality knife steels. You can replace the flexible disc abrasives that could sharpen 100 knives before needing to be replaced. Its compact size makes it easily fit in a drawer, and the space-saving design keeps your knife sharp and your counters clean. The automated timer on the sharpener will signal you when your knife is done, taking the guesswork out of sharpening. However, it is the first WorkSharp product to incorporate a guided ceramic pull-through slot for indeed recommended honing. Next on the list, we have the Idahone Fine ceramic sharpening rod. This ceramic rod is used to hone your knives and maintain the edge, and this rod is considered a fine rod and has 1200 grit. Its high alumina ceramic has a near diamond hardness, making it the ideal choice for keeping Japanese or European-style blades at their sharpest and ready for the rigorous demands of daily use by even the most discerning chefs. This sharpener's handle and base are handcrafted with hard rock, maple, or subtle oak and come in several easy-to-use configurations. The Broad & Taylor Professional Knife Sharpener comes with proprietary tungsten carbide sharpeners made in Austria. Control the angle from 12 degrees for a super sharp fillet knife to 20 degrees for a rugged chopping blade. Pull through, tip down to cut a factory bevel, tip up to smooth, and align the edge without removing metal. Its triple action sharpeners keep knives sharp without removing metal. This sharpener works equally on straight and serrated blades to maintain sharpness. You can realign edges before they roll over and get dull. Polish a micro bevel on the finest cutlery without fear of damaging blades. Plus, it uses an indestructible base of solid stainless steel. It has almost 2 pounds of solid Japanese stainless steel hand polished to a stunning finish. Moving on, next on the list, we have the Presto 08-810 Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. It comes with an easy 3-stage sharpening system for professional results at home, anytime. The blade thickness selector adjusts guides to optimum sharpening angle. You can select thick for hunting knives, medium for chef's knives and standard kitchen knives, and thin for light blades like fillet and paring knives. Its patented edge grip feature allows sharpening on the edge of the table or countertop, prevents the tip of the larger knives from dragging over the counter surface. The carbide blades provide quick edge setting capabilities, and the ceramic rods are used for the final edge honing. Meet up the all-new WorkSharp Culinary Kitchen Knife Sharpener. It can sharpen your knives at the touch of a button in less than 90 seconds. Its 3 settings allow you to shape, sharpen, or hone your knives, depending on how dull they've become, and the sharpeners automatically turn off at the end of the cycle. This sharpener is designed to accommodate all the popular knife styles and brands, from high-end exotic steels to the essential cutlery. It has a built-in vacuum to keep counters clean from sharpening debris. Thus, this culinary electric sharpener is designed to work in harmony with your kitchen. With a micro forge edge, you can retain its cutting ability longer, extending the intervals between sharpening. However, it uses a dual grit ceramic honing rod and uses angle guides for consistent edge refinement. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the Trizor XV Edge Select Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. It is ideal for converting traditional 20-degree factory edges of household knives into high-performance Trizor XV 15-degree edges. The advanced, patented flexible spring, guides for automatic adjustment and accurate control of the sharpening angle, features a simple on or off switch. You can utilize the 3-stage Edge Select sharpening system for optimum versatility in providing the perfect edge for each cutting task. The time required to sharpen is approximately 1 minute for first-time sharpening, and resharpening is around 10 seconds. Stages 1 and 2 are plated with 100% diamond abrasives to sharpen and hone the edge. Stage 3 uses a patented flexible abrasive system to polish and help prolong the life of serrated knives. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.